Google invests $200 million into AI startup. Hey, what would be the opposite of artificial intelligence? The answer? Real stupid. Yes, real stupid. AI technology is the next big thing. You already know it. At least you're paying attention to it. Or should I say, it's already happened. So it would be really stupid for giants like Google and Microsoft not to invest in this growing technology. So, hello everybody. Welcome back to SEO Newsroom. In this video, we will see Google's negotiation to contribute $200 million to an AI startup. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We believe the future is filled with vision-enabled sensor technologies, smart machines, and artificial intelligence. In general, AI refers to computational technologies that can replace human intellect in the performance of specific activities. This technology is currently evolving at breakneck speed, similar to the exponential growth that database technology witnessed in the late 20th century. Google is so serious about its artificial intelligence efforts that it's even considering investing up to $200 million in synthetic intelligence startup Cohere, Inc. Sundar Pichai, Google CEO since 2015, has emphasized the importance of AI to the company. DeepMind, an AI analysis firm, was purchased by Alphabet in 2014. Google Brain, Google's research group, is also one of the most closely followed publishers on massive language models and diverse AI issues. Cohere, which was founded in 2019, develops natural language processing software that developers may use to construct artificial intelligence apps for organizations, such as chatbots and other features that can interpret human voice and text. Last November, the company signed a multi-year agreement with Google to use its cloud division to provide the computational capacity required for Cohere to train its software models. According to the sources, Cohere also discussed a potential strategic partnership with chipmaker NVIDIA Corporation as part of the negotiations. According to other sources, the firm's talks are still underway and may fail. The valuation of Cohere from any potential fresh capital could not be determined. NVIDIA and Google both declined to comment. Cohere, which is based in Toronto, has not responded to calls for comment. Other technology behemoths are likewise looking to increase their reliance on artificial intelligence. Microsoft Corporation is in advanced talks to lead a fresh fundraising round in OpenAI, another firm racing to develop software models that could enable a machine to grasp anything a human can within years. Can you tell me why AIs in movies are always female? Because they're never wrong. This joke pretty much sums up the idea of AI. OpenAI is already an exclusive partner of Microsoft's Azure cloud service and has promised to prioritize Microsoft when bringing technologies to market. In 2019, Microsoft spent $1 billion on OpenAI. Since taking over as CEO of Google in 2015, Sundar Pichai has emphasized the relevance of AI to the corporation. DeepMind, a AI research startup, was purchased by Alphabet in 2014. Aidan Gomez, Cohere CEO, was previously an intern at Google Brain, where he worked on a study that expanded the highly recognized Transformer AI model. Some experts have warned that new AI models can raise difficult ethical issues and contribute to unjustified hype in the industry. The fresh cash would add to a frenzy of investment activity for AI businesses in what has been a lethargic market for new deals. In February, Cohere raised $125 million in a new fundraising round headed by investment company Tiger Global Management, increasing its total funding to more than $170 million at the time. Stability AI, an artificial intelligence business, announced $101 million in new funding from investors including Co2 Management and Lightspeed Venture Partners. That same day, the company hosted a lunch party in San Francisco, which was attended by Google co-founder Sergey Brin. Beyond the invention of Siri and Alexa, we now have self-driving cars and computers that can beat human professionals at Go. Artificial intelligence, the use of technology to make machines intelligent, is changing the way we think about computers and the world around us. But Musk once said he fears artificial intelligence could one day outsmart humans and endanger us, citing AI as the biggest threat to civilization. So what's your take on this modern technology? Please let us know in the comment section below. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you again in our next video.